Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of brushless DC motors, or BLDC motors for short. These things are everywhere. Your electric toothbrush, computer fan, even high-end power tools. But why are they so popular? What makes these little powerhouses so special? Well, in a nutshell, BLDC motors are like the superheroes of the motor world. They're more efficient, more powerful, and way more reliable than their brushed counterparts. Over the next few minutes, we're going to break down the magic behind these motors and see why they're rapidly becoming the go-to choice for everything from electric vehicles to drones. I'm talking sleek Teslas, high-flying camera drones, you name it. So, buckle up, grab your thinking caps, and get ready to explore the exciting world of BLDC motors. Alright, let's kick things off by talking about the stator, which is like the heart of a BLDC motor. Picture this. You've got this stationary part of the motor, usually shaped like a ring, made up of thin, laminated steel sheets called cores. Wrapped around these cores are coils of wire called windings, arranged in a specific pattern. When electricity flows through these windings, it creates a rotating magnetic field. This rotating magnetic field is the key to making the rotor spin, which we'll get to in a bit. The number of poles in the stator determines the speed and torque characteristics of the motor. So, we've got our stationary stator with its rotating magnetic field. Now let's talk about the rotor, the part that actually spins and makes things happen. Imagine this. You have a shaft, and attached to it are these powerful magnets, usually made from materials like ferrite or neodymium. These magnets create a constant magnetic field, interacting with the rotating magnetic field of the stator. As the stator's field rotates, it keeps pulling the rotor's magnets along with it, causing the rotor to spin. This constant interaction generates the rotational force, or torque, that powers everything from electric cars to toy helicopters. Chapter 3. Electronic Commutation, the brains of the operation. Unlike those old-school brushed DC motors, BLDC motors use electronic commutation. Think of it like the brains of the operation, constantly monitoring and controlling the flow of electricity to ensure the motor spins smoothly and efficiently. BLDC motors use sensors, often Hall effect sensors, to figure out the exact position of the rotor at any given time. The controller then uses this information to energize the correct stator windings at the right time, creating that rotating magnetic field that keeps the rotor spinning. This precise control over the magnetic field gives BLDC motors their incredible efficiency, smooth operation, and ability to deliver precise speed and torque control. Chapter 4. Inner versus Outer rotor, the battle for supremacy. BLDC motors come in different flavors: inner rotor and outer rotor designs. The inner rotor design has the rotor inside the stator, great at dissipating heat and offering excellent speed control. The outer rotor design has the rotor spinning around the stator, providing more power and torque. Inner rotor for efficiency and speed control, outer rotor for power and compactness. It's like choosing the right tool for the job. Chapter 5. Advantages of BLDC motors, efficiency kings. First off, they're the efficiency kings. No more energy wasted as friction and heat. This translates to longer battery life, less power consumption, and a happier planet. BLDC motors are also incredibly powerful for their size, perfect for applications where you need a lot of oomph in a small package, and the best part, they're virtually maintenance-free. No brushes to replace, no commutators to wear out, just pure efficient power day in and day out. BLDC motors, the future is here, and there you have it, folks. A quick dive into the world of BLDC motors. These motors are revolutionizing many industries with their efficiency and reliability. From electric vehicles to power tools, these little powerhouses are making our lives easier, more efficient, and more sustainable. If you're interested in learning more about BLDC motors, be sure to check out the links in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an upload. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep those motors running.